Guys, welcome to a new vlog. Today is going to be a day in my life. I'll be doing a client makeup today. She's currently in the sitting room. I have my baby tied on my back. I already did her skin prep. And I just thought, okay, why not vlog today's makeup session? I'm going to try. See, this uncle is trying to come outside as usual. Emmanuel. So see the stress I go through. Anyway, I have my cousin here, Blessing. If you're an OG on this channel, you should know Blessing. So I got her to come and help me. Today because I know it's gonna be a lot. So whenever I have to do makeup for my baby, like I'm just always like all over the place. But hopefully it will go well as per usual. So I'll see you guys later, probably in the process and then at the end of it. And that's what today's vlog is going to be about. Honestly. Bye. Thank you for coming. That's Musa. Bye. Hello. Look at me. Bye. Hey guys. So I'm finally done. I'm done with the look for today. The makeup look turned out really fine. Like so fine. So this is me just ending this. This is me ending this 5 minutes vlog. I mean, what I will call it a day in my life. I know I didn't show you guys so much because at some point I was using my phone to do live on YouTube. So I couldn't really vlog the makeup process as much. It's okay, that's it. So guys, this is me saying and Blessing is here. Blessing, come. Blessing saying hi. She came to help me go. This girl was really helpful today. I don't know what I would have done without this girl today. Maybe the makeup would have taken hours. Like up to 5 hours, but in like 3 hours we were done. Both with the makeup and pictures and videos. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. This is it. Bye.
Bye.